Apple has taken a groundbreaking step into the world of augmented and virtual reality, with the introduction of its highly anticipated headset, Vision Pro. The Apple Vision Pro is a mixed reality headset developed by Apple Incorporated, announced on June 5, 2023, at Apple's Worldwide Developers Conference. And pre-orders began on January 19, with deliveries scheduled to begin on February 2, 2024, in the United States. A worldwide launch has not yet been scheduled. It is Apple's first new major product category since the Apple Watch in 2015. This cutting-edge device seamlessly blends the real world with the digital world, providing users with a new kind of computer that goes beyond traditional displays. With Vision Pro, Apple aims to redefine spatial computing and unlock a whole new dimension of personal technology. As Apple CEO Tim Cook says, "It's the first Apple product you look through and not at." Vision Pro is set to allow its users to see, hear, and interact with digital content as if it were part of their physical surroundings. The world becomes a canvas for apps, which can be placed anywhere and scaled to any size, without the limitations of the screen. What's more, you can fully immerse yourself in a selection of environments as the room around you disappears. Apple Vision Pro opens up your space with a fully three-dimensional interface controlled intuitively using your eyes, hands, and voice. The team explains that when you first put on the Vision Pro, you will see your space and everything in it, with the home view floating in front of you. The interface is designed to have a sense of physicality, with elements that respond dynamically to light, cast shadows, and provide a clear understanding of scale and distance. Interacting with apps and content feels natural and effortless, as if you were moving real objects. One of the foundational design goals of Vision Pro is to ensure that users are never isolated from the people around them. A breakthrough innovation called Eyesight allows Vision Pro to display your eyes when someone is nearby, giving the illusion of transparency so that people around you are cued into your focus. This changes once you're fully immersed in an environment. The seamless integration of the digital and physical worlds creates an environment that is perfect for collaboration and shared experiences. From browsing the web with Safari to reliving precious memories through photos and videos, Vision Pro offers a wide range of applications. Web pages are large and videos are stunning, allowing you to enjoy content in a cinematic manner. The device seamlessly integrates with familiar accessories like Magic Trackpad and Magic Keyboard for longer emails or tasks. While on a FaceTime call, friends or colleagues appear in floating video tiles. Other apps can be viewed and shared simultaneously. Vision Pro can also connect wirelessly to a Mac, transforming it into a portable 4K display and changing your environment into an immersive workspace no matter where you are.